Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're actually gonna be reviewing September's BoxyCharm, and I'm so excited for this box. Oh my god. So if you want to see what I got, please keep watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content, if you like what you see. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for always checking out my content and my new videos, and always follow me in my journey of becoming a superstar. Just kidding. Well, this month's theme was actually named Boxy Access or Access. It came with Too Faced Natural Face Palette, Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, Moda 5-piece brush kit, Hankhenry Lee Kitty Black Eye $1 billion Brow. Oh, I'm so excited. No, BoxyCharm is $21 a month. Recently, I think they're gonna change the price from 21 to 25. I mean, I think it's kind of cool. I mean, a few dollars more doesn't hurt anybody, but it gives you the option of selecting what you want to receive in the box. So recently they were sent out an email saying what you want to receive, the iconic setting spray or some lotion. And of course I've been fighting with them of getting a setting spray, so I got the setting spray. So that's pretty cool, and there's all the other add-ons that you can do. So I just recently went with just the $25. I didn't want to do the other one. I just renewed my my apartment. So let's dig in on the box. Here we have the 5-piece Rollo Elanic. They actually look pretty nice. They look really pretty. Like, look at this. They look like high-end, like a high-end brand, and like I just love the design. Like, look at this, so pretty. And I haven't used them yet. I was thinking I was gonna get the Violet Boss palette, but I actually got the other palette, but it's okay. But look how pretty they are, and I'm definitely gonna use them. Now here we have the Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I have never tried one before. The reason why I don't is because I don't want to stain my pillow. I actually sleep face down. I always sleep face down. And thinking of putting a mask overnight is kind of like a risky situation. But so here we have the Hydrobiotic Recovery Mask for Dr. Brand. I think this is the second item I have ever tried from Dr. Brand, and I haven't tried it yet, like I said, but I pretty much will use it. It's Hydrating Recovery Sleeping Mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness. So that's really good because, you know, you guys know I'm a tomato and irritation. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it out. Let's see, I'm asleep up, so let's try it. Here, this is a brand I have never tried before. It's the $1 billion Brows. Never have tried them before, so I'm gonna open this. I love the design. So it's just like, oh wow, it's kind of like little, like a fork. It kind of looks like a fork. But you know what? We're gonna try this out. Like, not right now. I just did my brows, but you know, we're gonna try it out. Let me see how. Oh wow! It kind of like a fork effect. That's pretty cool. Huh. It came in brown, and they're from Irvine. Wow! So they're local. What color is this? I think it's kind of like brown. Taupe. Okay. Now here we have. Actually, no. Here we have the Too Faced palette. Oh, guys, let's take a moment to actually, like, you know, like, look at this packaging. Look how pretty it is. Like, whoa, I'm not gonna lie, I have, have a lot of people, messaging me, asking me if I want to trade with them for the Violet Boss palette, because I was bitching that I wasn't getting that palette and I wanted that palette, but now I actually want this palette and I'm gonna stay with this palette. But wow, look how pretty. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Like, look at this. Like, this is amazing. Like, I have never ever tried something like this from Too Faced. I have the chocolate palette, chocolate contour, something like that, Too Faced, but nothing like this. And now I know why people are like asking a lot of people, other people, if they want to trade, but I'm not gonna trade because I'm gonna stay with this palette. Let's open this. Whoa, this is beautiful. Look at this. Wait, I don't wanna. Okay, there you go. Wow, it didn't come with a film or anything. It just. Oh, it smells like flowers. It didn't come with any like film. That's like the weird part, but it's okay, whatever. So here we have Starlight, and then we have Pink Winky, Sunny, Honey, Satin Cheeks, Pink Sand, and Tropic Like It's Hot. That's funny. Okay, let's we're gonna do some swatches. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I mean, I'm not much of a blush person, but this is gonna be really nice to try it on. It has some blushes, blush. It comes with blush, bronzers, and highlight. I will actually like put some right now. I have some like, I just already did my makeup. You guys can see the swatch from the swatches. Now I know why people were actually like asking other people to do a trade. But I was like, no, you know what? I'm gonna stay with this palette. Now, recently on Instagram, no way, it was Twitter. Recently on Twitter, I did a poll asking people, because you guys know I'm gonna do a giveaway when I hit 2K on my, YouTube channel. So I asked for a poll saying what item from the box I'm gonna put it into my, giveaway. A lot of people voted for the brushes, but I actually like the brushes, so I'm not gonna put brushes on the giveaway. So I'm actually gonna be putting the Hankhenry eyeliner. I have too many eyeliners, and this is not a bad brand, so we're gonna be putting this item on the giveaway. So I'm actually not there yet. I'm actually 1.8K subscribers, so we're almost there. So I know it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna be putting a lot of things on the giveaway. So once I put everything on there, I'm gonna say, hey, giveaway time. So it's gonna be really cool. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Let me know what you think about this video. The items that I got on my box, representation. Like, wow, did you get the same items? Did you? Let me know. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I have a TikTok, so if you want to follow me on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.